Hello and welcome to Ethical GPT channel. How are you, my friends? At the moment we're speaking, there are many people making a lot of money simply by using artificial intelligence through their YouTube channels or Facebook pages. There is a lot of content and many fields you can start in, create your own content, and earn money through it without a camera, without a mic, and without anything. AI will do everything for you. In this video, I will help you build a successful channel using just AI in one of the fields that currently attract millions of views. When we talk about AI, you can leverage it in many fields and many things, depending on each person's creativity. But in this video, I will share with you a method and strategy you can follow, or you can learn these skills, sites, and tools we'll cover in this video to innovate your own field. Or you can simply apply the steps I'll explain in this video to create a successful channel and start earning from it. The process is simple. All you need to do is follow the video from start to finish. Notice this channel. It creates very simple stories. This channel certainly uses AI websites to create images, but the voiceover is real. If you look closely, the video is very simple. Just a picture and subtitles, and the number of subscribers is close to 2 million. All its videos are like this. If we go to the video and check the popular ones, we'll find videos that achieve millions of views, ranging from 8 million, 6 million, 5 million, 4 million, and so on. If we search for it on Social Blade, we'll find that it earns a lot of money monthly, up to 8.6K monthly and 100K annually. In the last 28 or 30 days, it reached 2 million views. There are many channels with the same idea, just pictures and stories. We have this channel with the same idea, just pictures and stories. This channel has 223K subscribers and also contains stories without animation, just pictures and subtitles. As you can see, the views reach 1 or 2 million. This channel has 153K subscribers. The story is very simple. We also have this channel presenting story content. This is a small group I found without much searching. There are many channels that leverage AI to create stories. Story content attracts a lot of views even though some of these channels do not use AI for story creation, image generation, or even voiceover. However, AI can enable you to create a professional story channel that surpasses the ones we've reviewed in this video. How are we going to do that? That's what we'll learn in this video. First, choose a field you want to work in. The field should be specific. Create a channel, and if you have one, create a logo and picture for it. I'll assume I want to create a channel for children's stories. First, I'll search for a name for this channel. Simply, I'll go to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a name for the channel. If I don't like the name, I'll keep asking for suggestions until I find one. For example, I'll search if there's a channel with the same name. If I find there are 2 channels with the same name and a good number of subscribers, I'll look for another name. Let's say I found the name Cozy Stories. And there aren't any big channels with this name. Then I'll create a channel with this name. I'll generate a logo for my channel under the name Cozy Stories, using one of the top sites competing with Midjourney directly. But the difference is this site, which we'll learn about in this video, is free and allows you to create 150 images daily for free. The site is called Leonardo AI. We just log in, press Launch App, enter the name here, put our email here, and log in. The site interface appears like this. The site creates images with high precision and quality. As you can see, you get 150 coins. I'll go to User Tools, press Generate Images, enter the keywords for the image I want. First, I'll set the size to 512 by 512 for the logo, or 1024 by 1024. Enter the keywords, and the more precise you are, the better the image will be. For example, I'll write Cozy Stories, cartoon style, kids, video. The number of images to generate is 4. Press Generate. If the description isn't precise, I'll try again. Let's try Storybook, Logo, 3D, choose one image and make it the channel's logo. Press download and drag it like this. Okay, we've created the name and logo, finished the channel. Now let's create the story. This is a very important step, so pay attention. Go to ChatGPT and ask for some story ideas related to our channel. Simply say, suggest me some cozy story ideas for my video. Press enter. It starts generating the first story named The Cozy Cafe. We also have The Snowy Cabin. You can simply read all these stories. If you like one, ask ChatGPT to generate it. This story follows the daily life of a cafe owner and the warm atmosphere they create for their customers. You can focus on this theme. For example, I like the second story, so I'll ask ChatGPT to generate an outline for it. I'll say, give me a story chapter outline for this story. I'll copy the story here and press enter. It starts dividing the story into chapters. It's important to do this because it can't generate a full long story in one response. So we'll divide the responses into several outlines to generate a complete story. Now, simply, we'll use Notepad to save the story before converting it to a voiceover. Say, read me a story, give it the first chapter and press enter. It starts writing and I'll copy each chapter outline to Notepad, continuing until the entire story is complete.
One eternity later.
As you can see, this is a very long story. Now, I'll ask for a description of each chapter to generate a specific image for each one. Enter the description and generate images accordingly. For each chapter, add specific keywords to maintain consistency in style and characters. I will choose the same image and click on Use for Image to Image to generate an image like this design here. Then, from the top here, I put the description, Generate, OK. Take the first image, the second description, same thing, put it here, click Generate, take it like this, put it here again, and continue this process until I finish. For the last chapter here, I download it. Also, if you want a specific style for the images, you can add it here, for example, at the end here, a comma, then add, for example, cartoon style like this. Or it could be 3D style, or storybook style like this. You can add a specific style to create the images. I left it plain. I didn't specify any style. Just based on this same image, it generates images. Once finished, we've created the story and images for the video. Next, we'll convert this written story into a voiceover. We'll use VDIO for this, which is free and has no limits for this method, just converting text to voice. Sign up, enter your email, and log in. Create a new project, exit the initial option, and start converting the text to audio. Copy small segments of the text, due to the 1,000 character limit, into the site, choose the language, English, select a voice.
There once was a cafe owner named Lily.
There once was a cafe owner named Lily.
There once was a cafe owner named Lily. She had Al.
There once
and add it to the project. I will repeat the same process until I finish. Once the audio clips are created, download them. Now, all we have to do is edit the video. To edit the video, we need the CapCut program, whether you have it on your phone or computer. To download it on a computer, simply go to CapCut.com and click on Download for Windows. After downloading, install it normally. Open the program, click on New Project to open a new project and start editing. Now, we import the pictures and the audio clip, just the audio from the video. We will choose the size, go to Adapted, and then Customized. Set it to 1920 x 1080 and save it. Import the video, right-click, and select Separate Audio to split the audio from the video. Delete the video, leaving only the audio. Now, all we have to do is place an image for each chapter. I made a mistake by not dividing the story into chapters. Always divide the story into chapters to place an image for each one. Import the images and place them accordingly. For example, the first image for the first chapter. To move the images freely, uncheck this option to enable easy movement. Adjust the images as needed. Each person will have their own editing style. For example, I will do it this way to convert the story into text appearing along with the audio. Next, go to Text, then Auto Captions. Select English and click Create. The captions will be generated. Now, we will edit the captions to make them look neat and elegant. Make sure this option is checked to apply these settings to all captions. First, choose a clear font. You can download fonts if needed. For example, I like this one, so I will choose it. You can also apply effects by clicking Effect and selecting from various options. If you want to remove an effect, just click on this option. We also have speech bubbles that can be used, such as this one. Choose the color, for example this color, and adjust it manually if needed. Go down, select Stroke, and apply a white stroke, reducing it slightly. Or you can leave it without stroke or shadow. Now all captions will appear uniformly. You can enlarge them for better clarity. The captions should be clear without errors, and the story should look good.
There once was a cafe. She had always passionate about creating warm and inviting atmosphere.
There are many types of videos, and each person can be creative in their own way. You might want to have the image like this, then choose a specific style, for example. For the background, you can choose a static or animated background. It all depends on your style of video editing.
There once was a cafe owner named Lily. She had always been passionate about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for her customers. Ever since she was a little girl, Lily loved to bake and experiment with different flavors and ingredients.
Once done, click on Export. Ensure the quality is set to 1080. Name the video and click Export. After exporting, click OK and then Open Folder to locate the saved video. Congratulations on creating your first AI-generated video. By following these steps, you can create more videos and stories. You can definitely produce videos that are much better than mine. I made this video just to show you the method. It's not perfect, and I made many mistakes. But with continuous practice, you will be able to produce videos of much higher quality. Before closing the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all new content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Repeat these steps to create more videos and stories, improving with each attempt. With practice, you'll produce high-quality videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.